Technical Corner.
I'm joined by Steve Burton today of Tungaloy UK, and we're going to be talking about the DoTripleMill from Tungaloy. It's fairly unique, this system. You know, why have you got it?
Again, Joe, it's just another take by Tungaloy, just trying to turn, if you like, a particular application in the marketplace on its head.
Yeah, and we've got 3 different insert styles, all double-sided by the looks of it.
Correct.
So why have you got it all in one body?
Well, I think what it's basically doing, Joe, there is it's giving the customers option, or options, if you like, of running 3 different face milling inserts within a common body. So obviously it cuts down on the inventory regarding bodies, but obviously you've then got the facility, if you want to run a standard 45-degree face milling insert or a button insert in a common body.
Yeah, and obviously a lot of people would tend to use a button for either creating a radius in the corner or more high feed milling, essentially. So is that why you would use that instead of a... Yeah,
obviously, square? Joe, if I bring the inserts into shot, you can see that the body itself takes a square, double-sided 8-edged insert. It takes an octagonal, 16-edged double-sided insert, and it also takes the double-sided 8-edged button insert. And the button insert has been brought in basically to complement the 2 other inserts, but more so as an out-and-out roughing insert. And what you can actually do, Joe, with the button insert is if you bring your depth of cut down to, say, around 1 mil to 1.5 mil, you can actually convert the face mill into a high feed cutter.
Yeah, so I get that, but these two here, do they not do the same job? Or on the square,
they do.
Are you able to take a slightly deeper depth of cut, maybe?
Again, Joe, it's been bought out for whatever application gets thrown at you. So obviously with the square insert, the 8-edged insert, that's capable of a depth of cut around 6 millimetres. The octagonal's been bought in really for people who are sort of down around the sort of 3.5 mil depth of cut on maybe the more low powered machines. And also it's been bought out as an economical option to the 8-edged insert as well. It's
a good idea, and this mounted at 45, so you can use it as a chamfer mill.
Yep, so this is mounted at 45 degrees, this is mounted at 45 degrees, and obviously your button is your standard button mounting.
Yeah, it's good. How about the range itself? Are these the only sizes you do, and how many grades?
Yeah, they've tried to sort of bring in a system where you've not got too many grades, not too many geometries, so obviously the inventory regarding sort of end use with the end user is reduced. The bodies, approximately 16 bodies in play at the moment, from sort of 50 up to 160 diameter. Coarse pitch, fine pitch. So again, we've got bodies that will suit virtually any application out there in the marketplace.
It's a good idea, certainly for, you know, subcontract engineers who don't know what job they're doing tomorrow, because you might need, you know, this today, but tomorrow you might need that. And bodies,
exactly,
you know, doesn't matter who you buy, bodies can be an expensive
exactly
commodity.
And I think it's giving customers a little bit of flexibility and the option to run a number of inserts within a common body.
There we have it, ultimate flexibility from Tungaloy. Thanks, Steve.
Thank you, Joe.